Before removing the roller brush, remember its original position, which is in a V shape. Rotate the roller brush to locate the seam of the brush, where you can see a noticeable protrusion. There are a total of 6 buckles. Remove the protruding buckle from the gap to complete the separation. Next, pull out the roller brush from the bottom. Take out the new roller brush. You can see that the roller brush has a direction. Keep the V shape and thread one side of the new roller brush through the bottom, then pull it out from the top. Pull both ends tight and thread the protruding buckle through the gap to fasten it. Repeat the same operation for all 6 buckle positions.